channel. So today, as you can see, my output is like something called ball, and something inside the ball some colors are filling, and this is nothing but it is in a 3D sphere which I have used. And I have used the animation called filling animation. So the color filling animation it is I have used for filling the color inside the sphere. So let's look into the code how I have developed this web page, as well as I'll be explaining you in detail through the code. So let's move the code. So we need to open a Visual Studio. So here I have just before creating any of the websites or any web pages, you need to know the file structure. So I will be showing you my file structure. So here I have created a three folders, three files. The first thing is an index.html, the second one is script.js, and third one is style.css. So index.html will be going inside that, and I'll be explaining you step by step the code. So first I've used HTML, then under HTML I've used head and body. Okay, so inside the head section I've used a style sheet linking. So I have created my style sheet as an external, so I have to give a link in an index.html for a design. Okay, so now I have used a body. So inside the body I have used a div class equals to ball, then another div class equals to ball. I have given some color blue and green. I have specified the color here only. I have given a style, so this style is called as inline styles. So this line is known as inline styles. So I have used here inline style as well as an external style. So as I have told you, like there are three types of CSS, like internal, external, then inline. So this is an inline styling which I have shown now. So external styling is this thing, styles.css is an external. So inline style is nothing but within a head section. Okay, so next after index.html I'll be explaining you style.css. As you can see, there is a lots of code which I have done. So the first thing, dot ball. Okay, so I have just given here two balls. Okay, the third ball I have given here style. Why? Because I'm giving your style. This thing you can use even there, but I need to add the additional features of styling. So for that reason, a third ball I've used in my style.css. So I have given you width where what is that? Dash s. Okay, so this s, as you can see, this as I have specified over here. So this I am just calling here. Okay, inside the variable. Then I have created a border radius of 100. Then I have created a display grid. Then overflow it down. Then this is nothing but background color which I have given, and this is a box shadow. It's having a calculation. So calculate CALC is nothing but it's a function, and this is variable. Okay, we have given some calculation, no? For that reason we have called a function called CALC, and I have given a variable for dividing a calculation for dividing the things. No, it divides colors based on that, and it gives a box shadow of it. So the next I have used ball before and after. So the ball before and after it should be same. For that reason I have used same thing. Then before it should be like I have called your C. So C is nothing but red. So I have called this red here, and a black color circle at the top. Okay, so this line tells you like this is mix blend mode. So mix blend mode is nothing but where you can mix and blend it your colors. Okay, and multiple is nothing but when you are having a different kinds of colors that will divide itself like color of elements divided by the color of the background. Using that formula, it just gives you the color. Okay, so this line tells you that. Then this is nothing but linear gradient which I have used as a black, and this is an animation like I've used 7 seconds linear infinity. So after 7 seconds it will be filling. So for that reason I've used here, and this is a ball before. Okay, So ball after is nothing but the ball before means ball will be like a little bit of 7 seconds like that. Then later on it will start filling the color. Okay, ball after is nothing but I have given a border radius, then z index 1 I have given, then width 0 I have given because we don't need any width. You can just ignore this thing. And margin auto I have given. Then background image is nothing but I want red color for that one ball, so I have given a red color. Then I'm using a blend mode multiple, so it will use a color like what color you have given. So color of the element divided by the color of the background. So based on this it gives you the next color. Means based on this the result will be the darkened color. Suppose if your color is blue and the background color is something called gray or white, the both the color it will be mixed and gives you a darkened color. So for that reason I've used your background blend mode multiple. Okay, and this is an animation which I've used. So the B 7 seconds linear infinity and A 7 seconds linear. So this thing I have given a seconds of time so that it will fill by that time and all the three should fill at that time. Now I have given at keyframe A. So this is nothing but it's a timing of filling the colors. Okay, so 0% and 5% width is 0, then 95% 100% the width will be 0.1. So I am telling like if the sphere is empty, right now the sphere is empty, and if it starts filling the color, then what happens, of course the width will just give 0.1. If it start going to 95% 100%, it just it just fills all the colors with a width of 0.1. Okay, so next is at keyframe for B. So B is also same thing, only I have used here, and here I have used here by 2 and minus 2. Okay, 0% and 5% and 95% 100%. Okay, so I have used your transform translate y, then I've used a calculate function which I have called which I have given here the calculation, and it should like rotate 78 degree. I have given this. Okay, the same way I have given a background color is silver. The same time I have given the same thing over here, 95% by 100%. The same calculation will happen over here. So next is at keyframe C I have given here. Then after that here I have used a mask size will be 100%, 0% and 95 to 100%. It shows you 100%. So when the color fills you, like when the color fills the complete circle, then it looks like 100% the color has been filled. For that reason I have used your mask size. Okay, then last I have given a body. So whatever color, whatever things you give inside the body, only the background color which I have given you silver, it will change. Okay, I have given you like 0.0006, means I have used your 0.4 and 0.8 to my color, so that only it is showing like a silver color. Okay, the color fills over here, and as you can see, after color fills, you can see that the entire ball gets that color. So that is nothing but a width 0.1 itself. It is showing the width is 0 now, which is filling. So what I'm speaking about, the width is nothing but the inside color, which is the red and blue. You can see one round color, no? So which is coming to the top, that width I'm talking about. So because here it is 0 width, while going top it will go to 0.1. That reason I have mentioned here in this line. So this is how I have generated my coding. And script, you don't have any scripting things. Script, you don't have any scripting things. That is another project scripting. So just like if you have to add any additional scripting and more animations, then you can use script.js folder and you can just add your coding over there. Okay, this is how my output looks. And I hope so you guys have been understood whatever coding which I have explained you, and which I have shown my coding, so that even you can also easily develop this. It's also an easy coding which is which I have not used any links or anything. Just I have generally used one sphere, then I've used one animation called filling animation. So based on that, it's going to fill. So thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.